हेलो गाइस, गुड इवनिंग. हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं बच्चे लोग? वेलकम टू अन अकेडमी अकॉर्ड. इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर गाइस? वीडियो एंड ऑडियो, इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर? गुड इवनिंग ऑल. So this is your KP sir on live. Today we are going to discuss the topic of discussion today. I think you know about it. 2021 GATE new topic. Water Quality Index. The new topic which is added by IIT Bombay. Now it was continued to 2022 to IIT Kharagpur also. Water Quality Index. Good evening Bilal. Hello Tanmay. Good evening Priyanka. Hello bachcho. Asha bagundi. Nice. Anshu Kumar. Good evening Pratik. Good evening Subomai. Hello Subho Baba. Good evening Chinmay. Nandini. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So guys, everyone know about it. 22nd, tomorrow is the time, 5:15 p.m. we are going to launch our new course. What is the new course? Geotechnical engineering. Tomorrow 5:15 p.m. we are going to start our new course of geotechnical engineering. Most of students requesting me to start it. So to make it success, that is your responsibility guys. That is your responsibility. Yes, correct Ash. Good afternoon Barik. Good evening. Done. So tomorrow new batches are going to start. Arohan GATE and ESC 2023. Verb GATE 2023. With my subject only we are going to launch. With the subject of geotech and foundation engineering only we are going to launch tomorrow at 5:15. So Unacademy Combat going to conduct on September 26, 11 a.m. Please enroll yourself using the code KPCIVIL live. So Water Quality Index. So in the last week we learned about Air Quality Index. How many of you remembered? Expressing several values of air pollutant parameters into a single value. When you consider water quality index also, good evening Dharam. When you consider water quality index also, water quality index consisting of n parameters. When you do water quality analysis, color, odor, turbidity, pH, hardness, like that we have different parameters. Taking all this n number of parameters, converting into a single parameter and expressing about water quality. This is our target. Water quality index represents considering n types of water quality parameters, converting it into single parameter. That is water quality index. Good evening Haripriya. So if you consider guys, water quality. If you consider water quality, we can classify water quality parameters into 3 parameters. I think you remembered, we discussed so many times about it. Physical, chemical, biological. The water quality parameters classified into 3 types: physical, chemical, biological. physical parameters: color, temperature, odor, turbidity, electrical conductivity, EC, not ES, EC, taste. Taste. These are the regular physical quality parameters. Okay, yes, done. Sure, yes, I will increase the size. When we take chemical quality parameters, total alkalinity, total hardness, DO, pH, fluorides, chlorides, sulfates, solids, again solids converted into suspended solids, dissolved solids. Like this we have a lot of list. When you take biological, only one will consider about the most probable number, MPN. You know it, each and every parameter have its own permissible limit and desirable limit. Each and every parameter have its own standard permissible limit. Yes or no? Each and every parameter have its own standard permissible limit. So if you want to know whether water quality is good or bad, how can you represent with it? I don't want all these parameters, color, odor, turbidity, total hardness. I don't want all this. By a single number, I want to express about water quality. By a single number, only by a single number, I want to express about water quality. How can I express? That expressing in the form of all standard permissible limits in one value, in a single value. That is called water quality index. Understand? Did you get the point? N number of standard permissible limits, all quality parameters expressing in a single component, that is called water quality index. Good evening. We'll move on now. I will make a note. The most effective way to describe all quality parameters of water as a single component. As a single component, then you need to answer all questions, Anshu Baba. To express as a single component, to express suitability of water resources, for human consumption, is water quality index. For human consumption is for water quality index. So this is the most effective way to describe water quality parameters. Very important. In which form? In a single component form. We are going to express as a, Batao Baba, In which component? एक component है ना, एक component है, single component. Expressing in the form of a single component to get the suitability for human consumption. Water quality index. Finish this one. We'll move on, guys. Completed writing. Finished writing. So steps to derive WQI. Steps to derive water quality index. So what are the different steps to derive water quality index? First step, you need to select out of n parameters. You have to select oh nice, Babai WB, very good. Parameter selection. Parameter selection means we have different parameters now, and the most important parameters to be selected, I am writing here. We have so many physical, chemical, biological components. छोड़ दो उनको, छोड़ दो. वो important कौन सा parameters है वो भी select करेंगे, ठीक है? Only important water quality parameters we are selecting. पूरा parameters 20 to 25 parameters we are not taking. Only important parameters. That is the first step. So first and foremost, what we select? DO. Without any doubt, we go ahead with DO, dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen, very important, dissolved oxygen. Followed by pH, total alkalinity, total hardness. Dissolved oxygen, pH, total alkalinity, total hardness. Fluorides, arsenic, TDS, etc. These are the must. These are the parameters which are must to be taken. In addition, you can add, if you are a water quality engineer, you have more interest to do, you can add more parameters. But these are must to be present. DO, pH, total alkalinity, total hardness, fluorides, arsenic and total dissolved solids. These are the parameters which are must to be present. Etc. Why? Understand Dharamveer Singh. So these are only 7 parameters. Dharamveer Singh came. He is more interested to analyze about chloride sulfates. And Anshu came. At his location, electrical conductivity, water problem is there. So he selected electrical conductivity. Suddenly Priyanka came. Priyanka told that in their location, water have more turbidity. So region to region we can increase. These are mandatory. In addition to that, region to region you can choose region specific parameters. Understand Dharamveer? These are 7. These 7 must be present. Along with that, region to region specific parameters to be selected. Then second one. Determine subindex. Third one, determine weightage. The last step, find WQI. These are the 4 steps. Determine subindex. You know what is subindex? Importance of the individual parameter, quality of individual parameter, nth parameter, subindex. Importance. So subindex represents quality. Subindex represents quality of individual parameter. Each individual parameter quality. Individual parameter quality. Importance or impact of parameter on human health. Importance or impact on human health. That is based on weightage. That is based on weightage. Understand? Determine subindex quality of individual parameter. Determine weightage. Weightage is its importance on human health, impact on human health. That is weightage. These are the 4 steps. We'll go ahead. We'll discuss now. Correct, Anshu Baba. Now, we are moving ahead with weighted arithmetic WQI method. Weighted arithmetic water quality index method. Weighted arithmetic water quality index method. So in first stage, we are determining subindex of quality parameter. Subindex of quality parameter. It is represented by the letter Q. It is represented by the letter Q. N is parameter number. QPH, QTH, QDO, Q fluoride, Q chloride, like that you can write. Subindex of quality parameter, quality rating of nth parameter. Q. We'll call it as quality rating of nth parameter. Nth parameter means a specific parameter. Quality rating of specific parameter. Simple formula. I don't want to write more and more theory for you guys. Simple formula. Qn is equal to okay, bye-bye. Qn is equal to Vn minus Vi by Sn minus Vi into 100. Qn, quality rating of nth parameter. Qn is equal to Vn minus Vi by Sn minus Vi into 100. Qn is equal to Vn minus Vi by Sn minus Vi into 100. So what is this Vn? You conducted a test. That test observed actual value. Observed actual value. Observed actual value. For example, you have taken a sample of river water given for DO test. DO of river water found to be 5.4 mg per liter. That will be your Vn. Observed actual value, that will be your Vn. Sn. Sn is a standard value to be present for good condition. Water to be present for the good condition, that is a standard value Sn. Vi. Vi is ideal value. Vi is ideal value. The perfect quality to represent the perfect quality of water, what is required, that is called ideal value. So I will give a simple small example over here. I will give you a simple small example over here. You have estimated a DO of water sample and the DO actual value you got 5.8 mg per liter. That will be varying from parameter to parameter. Anshu Kumar, that will be varying from parameter to parameter. If you say DO 0 is ideal, is that okay with you, Anshu? If I say DO 0 is ideal, we can't say na. So this is VN value for DO. This is VN value for DO. Standard permissible value is 5. Standard permissible value, SN value is 5. Now VI value is 14.6. VI value is 14.6. So VN 5.8, SN 5, VI 14.6. Now what is the rating value for DO? Abhi batao. What is the rating value for DO? It is 14.6 we have taken. Yes, Haripriya, correct. Subomai, 14.6 mg per liter for DO. Because it is at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. We will take at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. So now substitute in the formula. What are you getting? Please substitute in the formula and tell me what you are getting. QDO is equal to QDO is equal to VN 5.8 minus 14.6, 5 minus 14.6 into 100. अभी बताओ क्या है? So what is QDO, rating factor for DO? 91.67. The rating factor for QDO we have given 91.67%. Understand? How to derive QN value? Is that clear, guys? How to derive QN value? Is that clear, guys? QDO 91.67. No, it may be minimum, it may be maximum. We are not taking. Bye-bye. Observed actual is you are testing in the lab and you got the value. Maybe it is minimum, it is maximum. We don't know. Na, bye-bye. Understand? Understand? Subomai 9.2 is at 20 degrees Celsius. Ideal value is taken at 4 degrees Celsius. Subomai 9.2 is at 20 degrees Celsius. Ideal value will take at 4 degrees Celsius. So now I will give you a table over here. Parameter, ideal value, standard value. Parameter, ideal value and standard value. One simple table I am providing here. TDS, VI 0, standard 500. Electrical conductivity, again VI 0, standard 250. pH, VI 7, standard 8.5. Total alkalinity 0, 200. Total hardness also 0, 200. Arsenic 0, 0.01. DO 14.6 and 5. By this, guys, you remember, other than pH and DO, remaining all ideal values are 0 only. Most of the cases. Mostly ideal values ideal values are 0 except DO, pH and temperature. DO, pH and temperature. Okay, you have a confusion about ideal value. You are worrying, you have a confusion about ideal value, and that ideal value information not given in the data. What you will do exam? Anshu Baba, what you are going to do in exam? Please tell me. You have a confusion, ideal value not given in the exam. Then we'll move on now. Completed writing. Finished writing this, please tell me. Completed writing this, please tell me. Everyone finished now? Mahesh, what you are sending the message, I don't understand that much Hindi. Mahesh, please send me in English. That much Hindi I don't know. Now, if ideal values are not known, ideal values are not known, or else you take not given. Ideal values are not known and or else not given. Oh, better he can ask a news channel owner. I am not a news channel owner. I am just a teacher. Okay. Better you can focus, go and ask any news channel owner. Okay, or else information technology minister, communication minister. I don't know, I am just a common man like you only. I am also having same question. Please go and ask and tell me the answer. So ideal values are not known, not given. Not given. Good Babai. Your comment is excellent, Babai. That is the positive energy. Babai, take it, keep it up, continue it. That is the positive energy. Qn is equal to Vn by Sn into 100. So ideal values remove karo. Remove. No need. Vn by Sn into 100. Vn by Sn into 100. Actual value means observed. Observed in the test. Actually observed value by standard value. Actually observed value by standard value into 100. Directly you take that. For example, TA is TA. We are taking about total alkalinity. TA. Vn value is 300. Sn value is 200. So now what about Qn? Anshu Kumar? Anshu Kumar, what happened? You are deleting all messages. No, we are not talking if it is about, if you don't know in the exam or they have not given in the exam. Chinmay Thakur, if not given, you can take it simply. Vn by Sn into 100, that's it. Qn 300 by 200 into 100, 150. This is Qn value. So got the first step, how to derive Qn. How to derive Qn? You got it clearly? Clearly understand how to derive Qn value. Sn will be given, don't worry, Sn will be provided in the data. No need to by heart the table, Sn will be given in the data. But I don't assure you, Anshu Baba. Theory question. According to water quality index, what is the standard value of total hardness? I can't assure you. So theory, maybe they are asking. For numerical, they will provide you. Numerical, they will provide you. Okay. Done. Second step. What is second step? Weightage factor. Weightage factor. W. Weightage factor W required na? Correct. 100% correct, Babai. Qn should not be below 100. If Qn is below 100, safe only, Subumai. Qn below 100, it is safe. Qn above 100, it is dangerous. You want to know now whether it is dangerous or safe. Qn below 100, safe, above 100, harmful. That is only to be considered. So now weightage factor W determination. Weightage factor W determination. So weightage factor Wn inversely proportional to standard values. Inversely proportional to standard values. Wn inversely proportional to Sn. I am equalizing it with a proportionality constant K by Sn. I am equalizing it with a proportionality constant K. So K is proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Sn, if we know it, Sn is a standard value. Wn is weightage factor. Wn is weightage factor. Then what about K, Haripriya? What about K? How do you get K value? Proportionality constant. How do you get K value? Proportionality constant. 1 by sum of 1 by Sn. 1 by sum of 1 by Sn. Wow, Anshu Kumar. Talia. Anshu Kumar, Talia aapka. Good copy from your notes. Good copy from your notes. One by S1, 1 by S2, 1 by S3, like this na, like this na, 1 by Sn, 1 by S1 plus 1 by S2 plus 1 by S3 and so on. Very good, Anshu. If it is in your mind, keep it up. I am the most happiest person. If the formula is you have answered from your brain, after Smruti, I am the only person who feel very happy. Okay? Don't worry. Keep it up. Continue it. So first you are deriving K value by taking 1 by sum of S values. Then K by Sn is Wn. After that you got the W value, weightage factors. Very important thing. Weightage factor sum of W values. Sum of W values. That is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Haripriya. Open appreciation for a student by the teacher. Make the student to be proud and reduce the focus. So I am not appreciating you. I will appreciate after getting rank, IS rank. Okay. Arey Subomai, you ask that question to Anshu, not to me. Subomai, please ask that question to Anshu, not to me. Clear, guys? You understand this? Sum of weightage factors n, sum of Wn is equal to 1. Sum of Wn is equal to 1. Remember that. That is total value will be 1. So after all the things have been done, so finally what we are going to do? Third, weighted average. WQI weighted average WQI, Q1 into W1 plus Q2 into W2 wow, nice. Babai, I am ready. Q3 into W3 and so on, Qn into Wn upon W1 plus W2 plus W3 and so on, Wn. So weighted average we can say na, sum of Qi into Wi, sum of Qi into Wi, sum of Wi. This is weighted average. So after getting all the things, 3 steps na. Again one more time in short I am repeating. First you are selecting parameters. Whatever quality parameters you are going to focus more, you are going to determine more effectively, those parameters selected. Individual quality rating for each parameter determined. Then weightage factor W for each parameter calculated. Q and W weighted average, you are getting water quality index. Now, finish this one. Completed this one. Shall we move on? In the denominator, who is this? Bilal. In the denominator, always you take either 100% or a fraction 1. If it is about area, sum of area. If it is taken as area, you take sum of area. If it is percentage, always 100%. If it is fraction, 1 only. If it is fraction, always 1 only. Done. So now according to Indian water quality standards from Mishra et al. Later on we'll say Anshu et al. Also. Supriyo Sen is your college friend. Wow. So college friends meeting in YouTube. Nice. Subomai. College friends going to meet and chat in the YouTube. Nice to see. So Mishra et al. 2001 Indian water quality standards. Very clearly I am saying. Because country to country water quality standards are varying. So according to Indian water quality standards, we are talking about Indian water quality index. Later on it will be Mishra et al. Later on it will be Anshu et al. Also. Anshu become a scientist in future. He will give his own water quality standards. Hope for the best. Now WQI value, rating of water quality, grading provided. Water quality index, rating of quality and grading provided. So water quality index 0 to 25. Rating excellent. Subomai, you understand now na? If it is greater than 100, it is dangerous. 0 to 25, it is excellent, A grade. 26 to 50, correct. Value increases, rating decreases, no doubt. Good quality, B. Good quality, B. 51 to 75. Poor quality, bad, C. Poor quality, bad, C. (51 to 75) poor quality or bad. 76 to 100 very poor or very bad quality. Subomai Baba, you understand now? D. 100 included here and above 100. 100 included here and above 100. Unfit for drinking. Unfit for drinking. Grade E. Grade E. We reject the water sample. We are going to reject the water sample. It is unfit for drinking. Grading is given as E. So this is most expected one. As a theory question, they will give rating of water quality and they will ask, what is water quality? What is water quality? Based on this rating, they will ask you. Most expected one. Please be careful and read it properly. Okay. Rating of water quality, very important. We'll move on now. We'll solve one or two numericals. I will check how you are going to do effectively. How effectively you are going to solve the questions, I will check. We will go for solving numerical. We'll take parameter, SN value, VN value. Parameter, SN value, VN value. Parameter, first we are taking pH, total alkalinity, total hardness, TDS, DO. The 5 parameters they have been provided: pH, TA, TH, TDS, DO. We'll write SN values. SN value for pH 8.5, total alkalinity 200, total hardness 200, TDS 500, DO is 5. Standard values. Standard values will take. VN observed values. Observed values will consider 9.2, 350, 300, 350, 6.4. So these are observed values. From this you can derive for QN value. For each parameter you can get QN first of all. Let me solve here itself. Qn. What is the formula for Qn? Vn upon Sn into 100. Vn upon Sn into 100. We'll solve Qn value for each parameter. 9.2 upon 8.5. 350 upon 200. 300 upon 200. 350 upon 500. 6.4 upon 5. For every value multiply with 100. So tell me the values please. Tell me the values please. 108.23. 108.23. 175, 150, 175, 150. So VI we are not at all considering and solving. Chinmay Thakur. As it was not mentioned, we are not at all considering and we are going to solve the question. Okay. 70. 128. Good. 128. 128. Now what we will do, we'll derive K values. We'll go with K value determination. K is equal to 1 by 8.5. Very good, Anshu. 1 by 200, 1 by 200, 1 by 500, 1 by 5. This is only K value. 3.05. So please tell me, everyone got the K value same? Yeah, 3.03, 3.05, no issue over here. 3.05, 3.03, no issue. We can go ahead. Shall we go ahead here? Shall we go ahead here? K value 3.05. Now we will take here W. W is equal to K by Sn. W is equal to K by Sn will take. Okay, we will take directly 3, leave it. 3.0502, leave it. Directly take it 3. 3 by 8.5. 3 by 200. 3 by 8.5. 3 by 200. 3 by 200. 3 by 500. 3 by 5. Please tell me the values. Please tell me the values. 3 by 8.5, 3 by 200, 3 by 200, 3 by 500, 3 by 5. Please tell me the values. 0.3529, 0.353. Okay, 0.353 done. 0.015, 0.015, 006, 0.006 na, 0.006 only na. Good. 0.6, 0.6. So by this you can understand more weightage is given to DO followed by pH. Even though you neglect VI value, more weightage is given to pH and DO. Chinmay Thakur, understand. More weightage given to pH as well as DO, even though you neglect ideal value. Now we will take. Now we'll consider water quality index. One 108.23 into 0.353 plus 175 into 0.015 plus 150 into 0.015 plus 70 into 0.006 plus 128 into 0.6 128 into 0.6. So tell me the value now. Yeah, divided by 1 we are not at all taking, no need of taking divided by 1, don't worry. Subomai Baba वो छोड़ दो, divided by 1 छोड़ दो. 120.3. Is it fit for drinking? 120.3. Unfit. Now your calculation is coming wrong. Supriyo Sen, please check your calculation. Supriyo Sen, some decimal values you are missing, I think so. 120 or 168? 120, okay. Unfit for consumption. Then this much big question they won't ask in GATE na. This much big question they don't give in GATE na. How the GATE exam will give? I will give a simple question then. How the GATE exam will give? Now. Winkler's method of DO estimation is carried out. Winkler's method of DO estimation is carried out at 20 degrees Celsius. The observed value is 6.2 milligram per liter. Consider ideal value as 9.2 and standard value as 5 mg per liter. Find QN for DO. Find QN for DO. This is easy na? Qn is equal to Vn minus Vi by Sn minus Vi into 100. Vn minus Vi by Sn minus Vi into 100. Vn 6.2 minus 9.2, 5 minus 9.2 into 100. Anshu, it is not 14.6. 14.6 is at 4 degrees Celsius. This is a 9.2, very important, ideal value, 9.2, very important. Understand, ideal value 9.2 to be taken, 71.42 is answer. 71.42 is answer. So clear guys, how the questions will come and how we can manage the questions. How the questions will come and how we can manage the questions. Is that clear to everyone? $71.42. Clear? Any questions from water quality index you want to ask, please tell me. Anything you want to ask from water quality index, please tell me. So this much is more than enough for water quality index. This is the most depth what we are learning in anywhere, in any textbook or any metal. This is the final depth, ultimate depth. Very good question, Priyanka. Standard value is a permissible, adjustable value. Yes, Dharam, it is added in 2021 only. Permissible, adjustable value. Ideal value is perfect value. Ideal value is perfect value. Best quality. Simple. Simple we will make Priyanka like this. We say like this. Standard value is representing average quality. Means it is safe but not best. Safe quality but not best. Ideal value represents best quality. Ideal value represents best quality. Yes, Chinmay Thakur, last one is gate pattern model. They will take any parameter and give Vn, Sn values and you need to solve for Qn. That is only gate model. Clear Priyanka? Average quality is standard value, best quality is ideal value. Average quality is considered to be standard value, best quality is considered to be ideal value. So any more questions from your side guys? Any more questions from your side? So the most important, अरे what happened अंशु बाबा आपको? सुबह में उनको थोड़ा दवाखाना को लेके चलो. अंशु बाबा को दवाखाना को लेके चलो. Okay guys, I'm going to signing off. शांति पूर्वक हो गया. अंशु बाबा है ना इधर, तालिबान आर्मी है ना इधर. शांति पूर्वक हो गया. Okay, bye bye all of you. Guys, bye bye all of you. We'll meet again in another class, and tomorrow, don't forget, tomorrow we have the session Geotechnical Engineering. Tomorrow 5:15 p.m. Please inform your friends. Please inform your friends to join Unacademy Plus subscription using KPCIVIL Live. Please ensure them to use the code KPCIVIL Live. Please ensure them. Okay. Bye bye all of you. Take care. Take care. We'll meet again tomorrow.